Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Zendesk. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in zendesk.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Zendesk website. Now in order to create your new account, click on sign in at the top right corner and then click on new here, start a free trial. You will now be allowed to enter your work email in order to sign up. Just type in the email address that you use for your work and then click on next button. You will then be asked to enter your first name. Type in your first name and click on next once again. And you will be asked to enter your last name as well. After entering both of these, you will be asked to enter your phone number. Enter your phone number and click on the next button and you will be asked to enter your job title. After entering the job title, you will be asked to enter your company name. After typing your company name, click on the next button and then choose your employee size and click on next once again. You will then be asked to choose your language. After choosing your language, you will finally be able to create your new password. Go ahead and type in your desired password and click on a complete trial sign up, and your sign up will be completed and you will be allowed access into the Zendesk application after you verify your email. So log into your email and you will find a verify your account option. Click on the verify button and now you will be welcomed onto your new account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Zendesk. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.